A forex trader is a forex trader, but there is a cliche that is very popular among forex traders. Some say they are fundamental analysis traders, which are the news traders, and some say they are price action traders. But no, that is a wrong idea. Trading the news and making profit at one time doesn't make you a profitable trader. What makes you a profitable trader is consistently making profit in the market. So trading the news is a one-time thing, two-time thing, or a three-time thing. But knowing how the market works by understanding price action and where the buyers and sellers wants to go and making profit consistently is what matters. You can make 6 profit out of 10 trades you make in a month or a week, and that's profit because you have made more than your loss. My advice to every trader is yes, pay good attention to the news, have good channels that actually give you information on when there's going to be a news that's going to affect that pair. Simply knowing when buyers are buying long or when sellers are selling short, it's very important. But also know price action. So while you're trading the news once in a while, you can also trade price action consistently and make profit consistently, because that's what makes you a successful forex trader. Not just trading the news and making noise about it. Let's milk it.
Bro, Baba FX shop for you.